Inside this pack, you'll find every sound effect you'll ever need, whether you're just starting out or you've been editing for years. Now listen carefully. Transitions and risers. Whooshes and movement. Impacts and hits. UI and alerts. Games and anime. And more. Over 2,000 sound effects ready to use on any project. Just drag, drop, and watch your edits come alive. No more wasting hours searching for the right sound. Crush your edits on every platform, every project, every time. Grab it once, use it forever.